We had quite the windstorm last night and lost this big tree. Well, it was dead. It finally tipped over, which is good. And it fell without causing too much damage. Broke one branch off the cherry tree, which is kind of a bummer, but not the end of the world. Otherwise, it didn't do anything. But we've got a situation with the water. They cleared out all the drains last night, or yesterday, and it was working very well. But now they've either gotten clogged, or there's a lot more water flowing from our neighbor's yard. I don't know. And it's still pretty windy.
Alright, we got it taken care of. It's still flooding a lot down there, and it runs all along the front of our yard down into like a collection area down there, but the neighbor showed up, so they dug out their yard. Hopefully we won't have this problem anymore. Huh. And then
I'm the one who discovered this.
I know, thank you. And then this is the tree that fell last night. Whoa, it was dead, so we knew it was going to be coming down. Fell in a pretty good spot, minus one little cherry limb. What a storm it was, my goodness. And it's cold. All right, now that we are all inside and warm and clean, Jeremy took a shower because he was super muddy and dirty. I'm going to go up to Goodwill because we have so many bags of things that we need to get rid of. I was gonna do that last weekend and I didn't, so I'm gonna do it right now. This is part of it. And then the garage has like a ton of stuff, just crazy amount of stuff. So I'm gonna go to Goodwill, then I'm actually gonna get my nails done. I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I am, because I really love these nails. I get the S&S powder. They're really bad right now because they need to be filled, but you can't break them. You can't break them. You can't chip them. I mean, mine are pretty short. I like them short, but there's a place that's gonna do it here. It's only 35 bucks and it lasts like 3 weeks. So I'm gonna go get them done, and hopefully, the last time I went, I didn't have a great experience. This was in Arizona. She like cut up my cuticles and stuff, so hopefully that doesn't happen because it is very painful. So I'm gonna go get that done and then I'll be back. The boys are gonna work on doors, and yeah, the water is flowing much better out there. The window here is extremely dirty. Rain was just pounding and hitting it last night, but you can see it's flowing across there, but it's much less than it was. So I am so grateful that those guys showed up. Apparently Jeremy went up to their door, I don't know if I already said this, and rang the doorbell, and they had a camera, and he just started talking to it, telling them like, their septic alarm was going off. And within maybe 20 minutes later they showed up. So I don't know, it's kind of sketchy with that house over there. We don't really know what's going on because people don't really live there, but there's a guy there sometimes. So whatever, they're quiet. They took care of it, and hopefully going forward our yard won't be flooded anymore. We'll see. All right, on with the day.
counterweights, making sure that this end stays down and that one up so I can cut around it. They're good helpers. Alright, the big tree is cleared out. Most of the top part of the tree's there. The rest of it was here, but I've gotten it rotated here so at least it's on the edge of the grass and out of the way. And I was able to use the saw enough to get part way around this and then the axe to get the rest of it so that this isn't cantilevered and at risk of getting bumped and rolled. And it's braced pretty good, so. Oh yeah, I'm tired.
We got a sleepyhead. And oh shoot, I just got paint on the camera. I just got paint on the camera. I'm trying to get that off. I'm trying to whisper, but I am painting another door. I thought I was done with doors, but this is the door upstairs, and they don't make doors this size. It's like a super short door, or the width is that the right? I don't know. It's very short, and to custom order one, it would be ridiculous. You don't even really see it, so I'm just gonna paint it white, and that's what I'm doing. Jeremy and the boys took care of the cherry tree. I think not the cherry tree, the tree that fell over. I think maybe he showed that, but yeah, now I'm painting again. All right, in between doing my paint on the door, I am getting my order ready for Baker Creek seeds, and I have quite the list here, so I'm gonna go and calculate my total because I don't really want to spend more than like $50, I want to say. I don't know. I think a lot of their seeds are a good price. So yeah, I'm gonna go look, but I found quite a few flowers that I want, and they're so much cheaper than buying it like on Amazon or, you know, somewhere that might not be a reputable seed company. So I'm gonna add up my total. We'll see what we got. All right, I did the total, and I was close with 50. It's $51.50, and I crossed out something that I had a double on here for, and I crossed out something I decided not to get. So we'll see. A lot of these are flowers though, so is that a good thing or a bad thing? But I feel like once you buy them, you can save the flowers and then you have so many more seeds. So say hi, Quilty.
Hi.
What are you doing right now?
Wearing my new shoes.
He's wearing new shoes that are way too big for him, and somehow he cut the tag off even though I told him not to.
In the string.
Yeah. So here's my nails. I got them done.
And they're really white.
They're very pink.
Very
so
pinkish.
I picked out the color I wanted, and I was like, wow, that's a lot brighter than I thought. And but I didn't have the color right in front of me, so I'm like, well, maybe that was it, and I just, you know, it looks brighter over here. No. I looked at it, I'm like, wow, that's way brighter, but whatever. It is what it is. They're pink. I'm just saying it's for Valentine's Day. Anyways, okay. Well, Jeremy ran up to Home Depot because he needed some sort of a kit to install a light above the sink. And Cooper's sleeping on the couch still. And
No, he's awake.
He's awake, and Coulter is, those shoes are so big. Like they would almost fit one of the other boys. Put it to the side so we can see how big it is. But the weird thing is those are a size 1. And I think you're a size 11 or something?
Yes.
So it's really only 2 sizes bigger. I mean, that's just so big. Anyway. Alright, and I never got the paint off the camera, so... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
I see.
Yeah. Seems like a good idea.
Hi! Safety rules! Safety rules! Don't forget your safety
Seriously, you
rules!
could get so hurt doing it like this, Jeremy.
What could possibly go wrong?
I don't know. A million things. Even if your foot fell into... Well, there goes something in the sink again.
I didn't need it.
What was it?
How are those shoes doing, Coulter? Still good? Oh, good. Okay, careful, don't kick those paper towels. I'm trying to patch the wall. We got patches going on here and light repairs. No, light installation. And the boys and I are watching Free Willy. And now I'm gonna make dinner.
No, we're not.
Since it's
We're not
8 o'clock.
watching Free.
What are you doing there, honey?
Sometimes things need persuading. So you get the persuader and you fix it.
Oh, it looks like it's kind of...
Smells good down here.
Oh, don't worry. I can make it look intentional again. See?
Oh, okay.
Oh, almost persuaded.
Alright, the light is successfully installed. I don't know that you can really tell. Here, I'll turn off the light for a second, but you can see. Oh no, you can't. Maybe you can. It's like kind of like bubbly glass. It looks really nice. I like it. It'll look so nice once we get all the cabinets painted and the countertops replaced and a new sink. I'm excited. That's a long time coming though. That will be hopefully this summer, late spring, summer project. We're hopeful. But anyways, okay. Dinner's done. Boys are going to bed, and Jeremy and I are not going to sauna tonight because I think he's a little dehydrated, and I don't know that that would be the best thing if you're dehydrated to go into a sauna. Dealing with all the outside things today, I don't think he drank enough. So we're just going to, well, it's already 9:30, so we're just gonna kind of relax and yeah, I put the last coat, I think, on this side of the door. I have the other side. So that kind of wraps it up. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.